This video will cover user preferences, keyboard shortcuts, and program settings. To view global software settings that control how Thermalyze operates and displays data, open the User Preferences window under the Setup menu. User preferences are preferences that can be changed and can include units, resolution, color mode, window format, etc. Access the Keyboard Shortcuts window under the Setup menu. Keyboard shortcuts can be configured for common buttons and functions in Thermalyze. Examples include capturing images and auto-adjusting the color palette. To store user-changeable parameters in Thermalyze, click the Save Program Settings from the Setup menu. To retrieve these parameters in Thermalyze, click the Open Program Settings item from the Setup menu. If two users have different program setting preferences and use the same PC, they can load their user-specific settings each time they use Thermalyze. Thermalyze saves settings values at the time of closing as startup settings. Thus, when reopened, Thermalyze will start with the same setting values as when it was last closed down. Click the link in the description for more information on this topic.